Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a blessed day today. Today we're working on another look using the LaColors GLAM ColorBlock palette, and I threw in a iced eyeshadow because this is look number 8, and I want to show you several different ways to use this palette, whether it be only this palette or adding an extra shade or two in there. And this look is a pop of color and it's a bit smoky. So I prime my eyelids with the Covergirl Lid Lock Primer, and I have some loose powder to catch any fallout. So the first shade that we're using in the palette is the second crease shade on this kind of tapered out arrowhead type style brush. And these brushes are perfect for the creases. I love this brush for crease work, and it works great at placing the shade and blending at the same time, and also works great with packing on color. And it's great. It's from AOA Studio, all about the eyes kit. So next we're using the highlight shade in the palette, the Nude one, and I'm using that to blend down the crease as well as highlight the brow bone. And we go back and we blend, and the next shade we're using is the LaColors Ice Pigment in Twinkle. How beautiful is that? So I'm picking up on a flat shader brush, and I'm using Believe Beauty setting spray to wet that. And by wetting this, it's going to become more metallic, more foil-like, and it's going to help with the fallout. You're not going to have near as much fallout when you use pigments like this wet. They just apply so nicely. You literally just like paint it on your lid. And I got my brush wet again, and we are just continuing to add color to the lid. Now we're taking the fourth crease shade, which is black, and I'm showing that, you know, I'm starting to get a little bit of fallout, and I'm taking that on a crease brush, but kind of like a pencil style crease brush, and I'm applying that in the outer corner, and I'm starting to blend it a bit in the crease. Now I'm going to take the crease brush that we used and really buff the edges of that down, and you can tell that now the look is becoming smoky. So we're going to blend and just keep blending that black shade out into the crease, but focusing it only in the outer corner because it will disperse elsewhere during the blending as well. But the most concentrated area is going to be our outer corner, and I'm applying the black shade a tad on the lower lash line. I'm going to blend it out with the crease shade we used, and that is our lash line. So NYX Jumbo Pencil in the inner corner, we're of course going to blend that out, and the shade I'm going to pop on top of that is from Revlon Galaxy Dream, and it is the shimmery white duochrome with the green underlay. And that's going in the inner corner, and I'm going to blend that into the lid, into the crease, and the lower lash line. This is NYX Eyeliner pencil, and I believe it's just in Teal or Mint. And this is the Believe Beauty Extend Mascara. And also off camera, I used the Jordana Black Point Eyeliner pencil to tightline my upper waterline. And that's our look. I'm just doing a bit of cleaning up. Another very easy look, you know, do a little bit of crease work, add a colorful shade to your lid, and you're done. And the lipstick, of course, was Maybelline Nude Lust. Can't get away from that beautiful lipstick. And there's our finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the look as much as I did. I thought it was very beautiful. Stay tuned for more looks using the LaColors ColorBlock palette. Thank you so very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links as well as a product list. Thank you so much for watching.